In this video we are going to learn how to freeze or unfreeze first row or column or any particular row or column. First select row and then click on View tab from tab bar and then select Freeze Panes and select Freeze Top Row. You can see that only top is freeze, but if want to freeze top row of table then first click on Unfreeze, then first hide first row of sheet and then freeze first row using View tab option. Now you can see that first row is freeze of the table. Now you unhide the first row and check that top row table is freeze, and how to hide and unhide column. I created separate video, please check description for that video. Do same process which we use in row to freeze and unfreeze.